Okay, so I'm going to show you how to clean your makeup bags. If you've got one of the vegan leather makeup bags, they don't go in the washing machine, but they are super easy to clean. So I just use my antibacterial spray. Love this one from Aldi. It's cheap, it's cheerful, and it smells divine. Right, so I just give that a nice spray, and I use a spongy cloth with, like, you know, it's a bit bristly on the other side, and then literally do a bit of this, and it comes up brand new, honest. Brand new. So give it a good old brush. If you've got any foundation, then this is what you need to do. Fairy liquid is brilliant for foundation marks on makeup bags. So I put a tiny bit on my sponge and rub it in. I use fairy liquid, washing up liquid, on every stain going actually, and it pretty much 99% of the time works. So I've just got out all those foundation marks. A little bit over there, just around the edges where you hold it, you know, you get, it looks always a little bit more grubby. Right, look, and that was covered in makeup a minute ago. And you can also do the same on the outside if it needs it. I've always got red fingerprints over my one because of my red lipstick. So same, just rub it all. Bit of fairy liquid, bit of anti-bac spray, and it comes up brand new. Look at that. Spanking brand new. Took a couple of minutes. Who doesn't love a spanking brand new clean makeup bag? Me. See you later.